shy. Me there and me hard alone. Me there and me hard alone. Me there and me hard alone. Yard alone. I go and roll it off until my parents come home. Me there and me hard alone. Me there and me hard alone. Me there and me hard alone. I go and hold it up until parents come home. Me not chop nobody, no. No one nobody come and chop me, no. Me I gotta use everything mama and daddy buy. Me brave, my bold, me nah go cry. Me territorial, me territorial. Me yard alone, me there and me yard alone. Me there and me yard alone, me there and me yard alone. I go and hold it off until parents come home. Me there and me yard alone, me there and me yard alone, me there and me yard alone. Wake up trying to make time pass me by. And when I look, it's some burglars. 2 burglars.
Daddy.
Yeah.
How does your work?
Oh, you're good thing because you're curious. But go on now. You go come out and watch it. Burn and burn. So they may burn already.
Yeah.
So you work a current work it. Without the current it can't work. The current gone, it can't work. You know what's current?
Yeah.
What is current?
Use light post charging or something.
Light post is current? No, the energy you just carry. So you know on the light post alone, like this you carry current.
Yeah, it will shock you.
You know. So you have to play with it.
Yeah.
If you plug this in here so right now and hold on this, it shock you.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah.
You know you believe in it? And it's dangerous, right?
Yeah.
So never push nothing, no plug unless me till I plug in something and I show how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's how it works. Without the current, it cannot work. Alright, this is something this is what the card before the card mash up. So throw it in the closet. No, throw it in the closet. So many times you want if you use do something. You know what I mean? Throw it in the closet and come back. Come here. Hey Jay. Hey Jay. Come here. Your mother and your sister gone on the road, right?
Yeah.
So me and you there today, so I have to teach you man stuff because you have to be a man, right? Me walk on the house and then them are sitting and they drop me. By them, you know, if you throw them on the ground. You know why you throw them on the ground? Why?
Because they will slide.
Oh, you know, so you have them on the ground most of the time.
No.
You just figure them on the ground. Yeah man, so we get to them still, you can play with them and then you can put them in your room. Hold it a second, I don't want to dash it. They will slide you. Yeah. Even you will slide, but you will slide your mother took your mother big and fat. You know what I mean? You know why your mother drop and broke her foot on here? So put it in a safe place. You never play the pitch up on the ground. Alright? Put it in your room and forward.
Go on.
Where you say I'm going?
There, man. You know what I have to tell you?
What?
You know what I have? 2 duck who can go catch and make a good money off of. 50,000 per one.
50,000 per one? Wake up then.
Down the road or something.
And you turn up there, so what you do, youth? Come on, do road.
come thief me though. Hey boy, all the thief so. Eh? I saw no matter go on no. Talk about people place can trouble and things. Look how far you live and come over me and come thief me dog them. I saw them parents grow them. If they leave from half a road and come up people here to come thief them things. Man, you know for me days the things that them things that could have happened. Damn little thief them.
Alright, where's me up in our room there? TV turn on? Go look if it turn on. Can we hear something in our room? If you not, go on and come. You turn on? Turn it off. You can't turn it off? Yes or no? Yes. Alright, turn it off and forward. Hey Jay, come look here.
What? Daddy, me see you.
Boy. And then I gave us to play with Somali here.
Yeah.
See, this I want your time by it here.
Yeah.
You know music?
Yeah.
I want to show you still, because he's a man. Everything you say, you know. You come so, and you suck up the water. Right?
Yeah.
You know music?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. But that, alright, you good now. You good down.
It's a gift.
Me buy a gun and not to do it.
What is your gun?
Huh?
Yeah.
Why you shoot your father, boy?
It's a tricky guy.
Yeah man, a good time man. You full up your hand and go on with the place with you, see it? Alright? Don't tell a sister, you know. Boy, that, don't wait up a sister with you. You hear me, sir?
Yeah?
Don't wait up a sister with it.
Yeah.
You can wait up a friend them on the road with it. But don't wait up a sister. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, go and enjoy yourself. Alright, that's good.
Oh, shit.
What? Ayo, why? big man I walk around and wet them out. Yeah, mad somebody.
Eh?
Hey boy, see me I walk up past and wet me up. Controlling you, boy.
Give me a gun. I will just let him know a while ago. Tell the man say sorry.
Sorry.
You know me nothing buy, man. Boy, you see you? Come go inside. I pin them man at Christmas. Boy, you get me that trouble, you know.
So good, you can't walk. I'll try now.
Ali.
Well, go on, son. Come in, man. Come in. Now come right on time. You do the honors. The dust fix up here already? So plug in and see if it work. You think it gonna work? Work. You have a Christmas tree now, right?
Yeah.
You have been a bad boy throughout the year, you know. But I'm not like Santa. So I'm gonna what you want for Christmas? Still I get something.
Bicycle.
Bicycle you want? Big bicycle or small bicycle?
Big.
Alright. You see that tree here? You want to climb on it?
No.
Remember the last time you pop up?
Yeah.
How would you pop it down? Are you a sister?
Sister.
Where's sister there? She in her room? Alright, not say a word. This one, because she will have gone sleep, because she never feels so good today. But anyway, go inside and tell your mother, say, put on some food for me, because I have some my food for me, because I'm hungry now. And the ties them, you get the tie, buy something for you already, but buy the bicycle. So you can look on the truck them for Christmas morning. Don't pull the present them. You see every present you see, don't open them till Christmas morning.
Yeah.
Me and a Santa, so I still go buy the bicycle still. So go on this side and just tell them other self. Learn something for me. Tell her. Alright. Yes. That's a good work. Yeah, no. Sister. You can't come here so just have to get some dog here, you know. You have to clear your throat and say there. So what I want, you know, clear my throat or something.
You know, so me never go come over here. I pass.
No, but me say you just walk in so. Post me there for martial arts and I kick
Look
you
how much time you come over me here.
No, but I don't sneak up on you like that. But anyway, come here talk. Wife in the kitchen about some food. You put them in their room. Come here
I don't want no food and I have no cake.
Wife is looking out some food for me. Every time, yo, sister, every time I come here that talk about food. Me come up here and carry no food. Anyway, about food. That's what you do. You give me food and
Oh,
money.
me hungry and have you over here. Give me a piece of cake.
So what go on now, sister?
Can you see me come over here? They must say I see me come over.
Oh, where's your combo now?
You remember when we did all this up on the veranda? Me tell us I know you men they come to.
Oh.
I just pass, men they pass.
Oh.
Through me see paper like. But I'm not really that. You know, so I kind of run out though. I don't have no money. That's why I come over here. Because you know say will help me out. You know, I'm lonely big brother me have, but I can depend on.
You know, say Ajida. Yeah, why you follow this tradition every time? You love trick or treat?
You know, say a trick they not trick me though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cause the girl are going like she in need and she will desperately need her money for bill house and thing. The girl can me. I make me give her how much money for bill house. When me look she have money in a closet, tell me all how much pitney where she have the affair. People pitney them. A tricky girl trick me. And the time me waste and the think about she, but me I consider about fear, needs and wants. And she never in need of nothing. Me could have give somebody else a want it, but me never know. But now me learn. She teach me a lesson. You understand? So next time me will try to figure out whether the person in need or not. More than go give somebody where already have it. And you know what hurt me? A people me ask for money. People from all over the world help me. Give me the money to give the people them who in need of it. And this girl come with her liar self and me take the people them money give her. And at the end of the day, she never in need of it. A wicked girl, wicked.
That's what I think, man. So, Reality JA, you know, sometimes Reality JA is a good station, you know. Watch it from time to time. But see, even the one Papa have film thing upon it too, and you, as Miss Candy, it's a good vibration, man.
Yeah, man.
But watch it, man. So, what me I say now, at which time, you must ask some money for yourself too, you know. Kind of look good for you, do so much you can give some money and for yourself. Because we know you give your last. So you give away all that money and you come check for money and now. Unlike say me have it really. Yes, mama come from fine one day you can go do some local farm work and come home back now, but the money not so bossy. So you have to try to finish up your room and now and get some stuff in night and at Christmas and the kids them want things.
Stick up in. Me just hear you say watch Reality JA with me and Popeye. You did subscribe?
No, you know, but watch everything. Everything gonna put up watch it. So when me subscribe, why do you feed though?
Listen to me now. You help me channel in a one way where it benefit me and other people. Because remember say I help people, you know. You understand?
So
yes, so we work out better for me. So
oh, so if me subscribe, I never know. So if me subscribe, me help you.
yes, and you can tell your friends and your family them about the name of the channel, man.
So yo, watch out. Me go subscribe to you. I'm watch every night. As I gone, my wife go watch.
But remember to share it.
Come in.
Auntie Candy.
Hi AJ. Long time I don't see you. Come here, man. Come here. You get weighty, man. What? You alright? Well, so you look cute. You look cute, man. You grew up very nice. Alright.
I be a trouble boy again, man.
You get trouble? You not give daddy no trouble?
No.
And mommy, you get trouble?
No.
Okay, alright. You're being a good boy then. Alright, so give take a kiss for Ninjana. You no long to see me? Well, I'm going to talk to your father.
Daddy, me can't look for the present them.
Me know sada, I said that you know. A morning man. We just 2 days. No, cause a 3 days there, away from Christmas Day. So I'm going to give one I tell them tomorrow. Cause you want good youth. Cause normally bad people just go in and pull your and go peep. But you go to tomorrow morning give one I tell them. So what you do? Your sister in her room go check what she do. And if she don't wrong, you come call me. Right? So, right, later. You soon come on the still. My auntie is all around.
Bye here, AJ.
Yeah.
When you come back, you're not going to see me, so you can check on my one next time here. Alright.
Boy, me just want 2 days. 2 days. Me and wife want away from them. Them nice. I love the children them. They give be a problem. Just the 2 days away. Then a big celebration of Christmas. They enjoy themselves. You know what I mean? So I want smart to just pay for 2 days. Because Monday at Christmas. So we want Saturday and Sunday for yourself. You know, and come back down early Christmas morning. Pick them up and spend the Christmas day. Christmas dinner. You know what I mean? We have somebody that cater the Christmas dinner, so we don't have to worry about cooking, so that's good.
So you plan to go on big vacation?
Not really vacation, I do something overdue. So we're going to go on, if you love us in the holiday, but even now, somebody that cater, so somebody's going to cook the food. So when you come back in the morning, we pick up the kids them from whoever stay the kids them and just do the Christmas dinner. So you can come over for Christmas dinner too. Tell your boyfriend to and come. You can never see that man yet, don't know why.
You wish, man? I have no man, I'm better with them, man. You know what it is. Ambitious man, me like.
Alright.
Oh, you pull it, work, come pull it. Alright then, here.
Yeah, man, later. I'm not that real, I'm coming on the walk in, so I love it.
Yo! What the money there?
You can't screech up and frighten me my way, mama.
You call like you want my money, my youth. Eh? Over a month now, we know me. I wait long now, we know youth.
Yeah, me understand, so you wait, but you can't rush it.
You know, so you take me for idiot.
Me never deal with no woman, and them a rush me for money, so you can't rush the thing. Me promise you, say you'll get it. You don't have to worry yourself. Just check me back tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, and you get it.
You are from 1 month now, you want my money, you know, youth. At Christmas now, you know. 4 days now from today at Christmas, you know. Me ear now do more clothes. Watch out. Eh? Me have to lay wait in a rain, my youth. Me want my money. And don't make me come early, man, I'm not get my money. I say, nah, go nice, no, my youth. Alright.
En la casa de ella. Then the thing. This. Yeah, the green one. Alright, give me the blue one. Oh. That body. Your chance to shot. Let me do it. Because you're not doing good. No. Okay, good. You have a green gun. You get a green one. Okay. Always on pick a tea. You watch a movie with big boy? Alright. Oi! That's a fire shetty. Alright, let me fix this now. Alright, let me show you what I'm going to do with this one now. Alright, give me that one then. Alright. Look here. It's the fire truck. Pop, 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 pop. Ah, no!
No?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm soon getting something for you there. Just go and sit, I'm coming.
Leo! Come.
Leah, AJ! Leah! Come now, baby. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. Here you go. Can I say thank you?
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey. Excuse me. Go. You like me. Say truth.
Director's chair. Don't stop in the house, Mom.
MJ, don't trouble phone. I said on Charlie phone. We have one. Hey, hey. What? Wait. Oh, yeah. Hey. Aha.
Do you want to fix now, man? The block, do you want to fix? No, so tight, and the man them not to do a good job with it. What now do? Who charge the phone a while ago? Who charge the phone?
Him.
Who charge the phone?
Him. She. Leah.
Alright, what may I say now? No, charge the phone again.
Yeah.
Out the door, I've get this thing, this place straightened up, right? I don't want to give me no trouble. Now do some work. Later we go on the road. Who no behave themselves now and get none ties.
Yeah.
Alright? Who no want ice cream, who no want cake?
Yeah.
Behave on yourself. Alright? Hello? Hello?
You know what I'm gonna do? I have to go trace this caller, you know, and see what I'm going on. Just wait. Use the caller ID and this damn system. Just wait. Caller ID. Okay. Alright. Down at JAMMIWOOD City, alright. Let's see what I'm going to put on GPS. Go trace the car and see where I'm going. You think me a ramp? Ramp with me? Jeez.
Alright?
Yeah. Stop here.
You don't have nothing illegal over here, sir?
No.
Alright, make sure you know. Hello? Hello? Or you come forward? Hello? Hello? Hello?
What one?
Yes, Rasta.
What one?
How things? Everything alright?
Man, thing good, man.
Alright, I see a good deed. Yeah, what going on? I get some phone call from this resident and the GPS from the headquarters say it's this place and you know, just want to make sure it's everything alright with the area.
Let me see number.
The number? JAMMIWOOD PO.
Oh.
New grade.
Hey, Jack! Hey, Jack! Come here.
So you know about the call them? You know what
My
going
local son, he might play the phone from there. Tell him not to play the phone. Hey, Jack!
on? Understand.
Did I play the phone a while ago? Did I call the station? So the officer said him see me number on it, you know. Come here, young one. Come here, Leah. Come. The police come. Who they play? Somebody play the phone?
Yeah, here.
Wait. Him gonna play the phone, so how am I point on you?
I say stay, man.
As a matter of fact, you see, this is a serious situation, you know, because guess what now? You can't play with the phone and I put things in a one situation where
Right,
I
you
think
did
it's
again?
dangerous.
You do it again? You say now do it again.
Hello, sir. Answer your father properly.
You
Don't
got
shake
it
your head.
again? And then do it. Alright. Watch him on the phone here.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, officer.
Yes, yeah.
Alright.
It's a situation, you know what I mean?
I'm going back inside. Watch a bad boy at the same time and a boy pin them, man.
Alright, you are going on, you see, just make sure.
Yeah, man, a boy pin them at the same time, man.
Alright, boss.
So if inconvenience and
Yeah,
things. So
yeah.
I'm going to manage time. You must put the phone on higher place. Because the little boy they see that's saying stay. But anyway, when we are boy that we do, we play some little thing like that. But we never do this, but that's how you go.
That's true.
Yeah, man. So you good though.
So far, so good, you know.
We see a tip up in our force though.
Yeah, coming from far, though, you know, the sun hot and all these things, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
So yesterday when I leave you, when we go rob the duck, I get a call to go do electrician work. Now I Rasta my house and I tell her, say, everything is expensive. TV, bedded, settee, fan, everything like that. And guess what now? Him not dead there now.
So we can go down there.
Don't worry, head man, anything we thief out of that, 50-50.
That good down.
50-50. We have be a burglar now. So you ready?
Ready.
Yo, this is not the duck thing again, you know.
Can't go and eat your food, so they are going
Yeah.
eat your food too when you go home.
Well,
And all the vibes. You can't more
good
than that.
talk, good talk, good talk. Good
A
talk.
Christmas in a man.
Alright, sir,
You
alright,
just
sir.
keep yourself safe, man.
Yes,
Keep
sir, you
yourself
too.
safe.
Yeah, man, have all the
Alright.
protection. Alright, my boss.
I
Good
look
talk.
in them, I said them.
Yeah, I open up now again, you know, because,
Yeah,
you
man,
know,
yeah, man.
we don't want to, because we hear said some stuff going up the road then, and, you know, it's season, you know,
Yeah,
I mean,
man.
I get hot and all
Alright.
these things.
Over there, so we are going. Nobody know over there.
Ready then, man.
Yes, sir.
Go
So,
home now again.
alright, boss.
Hello, sir.
You live over here, sir?
No, sir.
So what you doing over here?
You know where you say where I go?
No, General, I don't miss a girl there.
I hear some man, I hear so.
Wait,
A wrong place, you make mistake.
No, I hear say you say.
wait, what do you mean, sir?
Listen me.
I don't understand. So,
Officer.
you are come over here, sir? Him not come over here, sir? But you say
You
you
say I hear
come?
so where I go.
Me not understand that.
No, we are going to check a girl.
You live in that area?
One of the best, sir.
We are going to check a girl.
Yes, you know him? You know him?
Come no man.
I'm no electrician, man.
You know him?
Yeah man,
I hear so where I go. You say where I go check pants in there, sir.
No! I don't
No,
know
this is
what
the I'm going to go.
you said. Yeah, so.
I say.
Listen, me, and then yes, all round listen, girl. Tell me say you try set me up. You hear me say a wrong way.
Alright, officer.
You look like today the people then need to go but tomorrow.
Guess what? Mommy is going to send you up an auntie here. So you're going to stay up there until mommy comes. Mommy's going to buy you a nice big truck. Come here. What color truck would you like?
Pepper.
Purple?
Yeah.
One close to the back color?
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, so make sure you behave yourself and Mommy will come and get you. Really?
Mango.
Really? Why you don't want to go for auntie and love auntie again?
No.
Don't say that. Alright, I have a surprise for you. If I give you the surprise, will you go?
Yeah.
Alright, let me go for it. I know you're gonna like this one. Ta-da!
Yes.
Will you go?
Yeah.
Alright, nice.
Let me see.
Nice girl. No, you're gonna get your time and know yourself. This one is for girl, eh?
Yeah, let me see.
Alright, take a look at it.
Yeah.
See?
Butter.
This is princess.
Princess.
Baby bottle.
Yes.
So will you go now?
Yes.
Ready to go now?
Yes.
Alright, good girl. Come put on your slippers. You soon get your time and don't worry yourself. Come. Put on your slippers now. Hi, good evening, sis.
Good evening.
How are you?
Good.
Alright, so you come today. Alright, yes, the auntie there. Oh, auntie there, no, Miss Auntie.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sis. So, see, Christmas Day, we are going to have one big get together over here. So, I just go for 2 days. So, I ask if you just give her eye on her for me and make sure she's alright. And don't get auntie no trouble, no, Leah. Make sure.
Hi, Bella. Hi, yeah, bed. So we are learning Belmeza. Bye, brother.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Auntie Candy Show live and direct today. Well, I'm here live back again. This is Auntie Candy Show live and direct. Listen, we are here today to look for someone by the name of Rachel that I have already helped. So many people all over the world send me money to help a lot of people, and I'm here today to give Rachel some money. But I heard a little saying going around about Rachel. I do not know if it's correct. I don't want to blame her wrongfully, and I'm here now to prove it with you guys, whether it's true or false. So I had some money that I want to give to her. I already rented a house, which you guys already know, and put her in there because she had nowhere to stay, and I'm paying the rent. Whenever people send the money, I pay the rent for her, give her food and stuff like that. But I wanted to help her a lot. And don't forget about her 5 children. They are not adults, they are very small, young children. So we need as much help to help those kids, okay? So I'm on my way over by Rachel's house, the house that we rented for her. So where she lives, we are going there right now. So we are here live. Come along. Yes guys, this is the house that I have rent for Rachel. And remember, I've told you before that someone tell me that she's doing something that I'm not sure of. So I want to prove it with you guys. This is the house. Okay, we are going to prove it today. Let me call her.
Yo, call back Candy and say to get no more money, no?
Hello?
Rachel.
Hello?
Where you there? Me say you have man over there.
Who told you that?
And a matter of fact, where children them there?
Me alone there, me them there for them grandmother.
Up at them grandmother?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Alright then. Okay, alright. Yeah. Alright. Okay, people, you can see that is the lie she telling. Because me hear man in the house. I don't know how I'm supposed to hear a man voice in the house talking to her. So we are going to prove it. Come on.
Come, Rachel, get close to Alton. Lean for him now. Come back, Alton. And ready.
How that? Is who that?
Auntie Candy.
Me I come, me I put on my clothes.
Rachel.
Me I come, man. Hello, good night.
Good night.
No talking and ready now, Rachel.
So what this here for?
What you mean what this for? Rachel, me can't believe that me lost me trust in you. People who no see where you going right here so. Me sure say me hear one man in here, who no hear the man in here too. Rachel is a liar.
No man not in here.
Where the man there? Where man there, Rachel?
No man not in here.
Where man? Hello, sir. Hello. Your voice strong in here, so I am not paying rent. But how this man stand up like a statue? So Rachel, you see you now? You are Ginal. Where the pitney them there?
Them up at them grandmother.
So, you send the pitney them up for your grandmother. Eh? How for grandmother? I feel them are...
Them grandmother. My mother.
Oh, I think you say for your grandmother. But anyway, why you send the children them and them grandmother and you don't so with man? The reason why me rent the place give you know is because of the children them. It's not just you alone.
So what on then? Me can't do with somebody.
That not have nothing to do with me.
Most of all, like
people them all...
you rent the place, give me the people them on the phone.
See it? People no listen me carefully. Uno prove it for yourself. Say Rachel have money in the house, right? The house wanna send money come give me for rent for her plus buy food for she and her children them. You hear what she just said? The children them their grandmother. Who to tell if her grandmother is there? She's a liar, wicked and ungrateful woman. Uno no send no more money out to come give me for give her because me not gonna receive it.
No, you can't do that. No, you can't do that. You can't tell the people them that.
How
The
this a
people
man-
them a give girl money. You have to want to tell the people them say no, you can't do
Listen
that.
to me. The money with the
Me
people them.
our cousin. Me our cousin. We in here a practice with their practice because it's family and we have got family reunion. And a
Rachel,
practice we
are you me come to? Listen to
You
me.
can't tell the people them that.
The money where the people them send come give me figure you and your kids, it now benefit the pitney them. So guess what? You not send no more money come give them. You alright, you know? Cause it look like you they get the beneficiary from the people them
You
money.
don't get no benefit.
You not get no
Them
benefit.
don't you give them money when they
Of
forget
course
Rachel.
them get what them forget.
Don't you buy them 6 chisel or something.
6 swizzle. Swizzle. That can't nourish, no nourishment no in them they forgive
You
them.
feel how people business alone, woman.
And my business,
I
they don't send the money come give me. How she go get it and I make she take it give you, I make it pick up for her.
You feel left people business alone, man. We're grateful for the people. We're grateful for what I do for Rachel. I mean, I'm Rachel cousin. Me and Rachel not done. You see that lady here? She a wicked.
This man where she a keep is a liar. She ungrateful and she not busy with her children. She prefer man. Who not send no more money come give me. Forgive she and Rachel. Listen to me now. The last rent when me pay, you better take it. Cause you not have no more forget. Who not send no more money. Remember me tell you now. Rachel, your response for the next rent you depend your own. That me they tell you.
So I'm curious some money what you get. Give it to now.
I not even answer you.
You can't do that. Yo, take a camera. Like you will when you do.
Of course.
You put my underpants and all that, right?
Everything and the marina them.
Okay, all the patrol. So you think you're safe in here till
You see a big boy and he said he's smart enough.
just get a text or like whatever that to go on,
You have the phone?
You have a phone? Alright, what about going on now? What call are you, sir? Yeah, you may say no. Remember, I tell you from yesterday, you know, say, if you want the 40,000, you need to come down at the house right now in the morning. Because now about 5 o'clock and we are cut. So I need you to come in here because you're alone in the house. You know what I mean? I put one big store, one little store, one store on the right in front of the house, in front of the window. I put the key under it and you just go in right now because if you wake up and see we can't leave you. Alright? Come on.
You know.
Come on. Good night, friends.
Jermaine! Yo, Jermaine! Yo! Jermaine! Yo, my nigga. You know, see Jermaine for a morning.
Well, no, so I think about and get this morning though. I don't know if I up or down you go.
Come on, make me wake up out of my bed, man. And my face and my teeth, and brush, you know.
I say who people their money and I want to pay them.
Just to come catch him for my money, you know. Anytime I see my, yo, God know you would. Yo, more my money, you know, you would.
Anything you give me now, get it back.
Yeah, I have two different men. I have to get my money, you know. I'm going to show him, say, who run things for you. Yeah? All right.
Hello. No, so I carry me there, I wipe down still forward to come to town. So you ready? Alright, now go in and carry and come.
Dad, Mommy. Daddy. Mommy. Daddy. Mommy. Daddy. Hey, God.
Hello? Hello, who is this? I'm a call police station. Hello?
Pretty.
Hello? Nigga police station?
Me can't find my mother and father. Then you can give me father, mother and father number.
Who is this? I want this sound like a AJ this? Hey look boy, stop call this phone and prank this thing because I guess you know. If me ever hear call by the phone again, me have to come and arrest you or arrest your mother or your father, you know. You understand me I say? So stop call this phone. This is a police phone. This is business. It's a lot of things going on. And you can't be calling this phone right now and waste a lot of time. You hear me say? This is AJ, right?
Yes.
Stop calling the phone. Alright, so I'm gonna come down there. Arrest you. You want to go to police station, go spend time in the jail? Eh? Alright. Stop calling the phone.
Go on, Spoonie, we had to run for the men's here.
So I told me I look for go still.
Spoonie.
I agree.
Yeah, man, you know, this man them just come in and we have some roasters down there. But I like that come in, come partake, you know.
Yeah, man, can come in.
Yeah, man, and you know, we there beat 2 juice. We there from man, we come dip in at place and... I just said, you know, so I say, if me alone couldn't eat half all of them fish there, you know, Rasta. So you have to come in to a roasters and full of vibes.
So I'm Jay. You know, say the call me, I beg you. You want me to one call my phone, did I?
Hello.
Yeah, what want Susie?
How much time for tell us something name Susie or Rachel over there?
Man, you me call her for chat to you about. You know, some of the all the way at Ochi.
How are you so far?
Me talk to you and tell you what going why me reach so far, man. When me reach out, me chat to you. But more, you do something for me. You have fire beg me stay with him, you them Zane. And a little thing go down, man, and me reach out Ochi. So here more you do. When you go over there.
So when me will get my money, because I know say your man when I like pay money, you know.
No, man, don't worry about money, man. When me reach out, me sort that out. You see it?
Alright, you put on my clothes and go over there.
Alright, yeah, man. Alright, give that, see?
Parents gone, but me still can protect it. God alone. No criminal, none this me come from. comfort zone. Yard alone. My parents gone, but me still can protect it. Yard alone. No criminal, now this me comfort zone. Christmas time, nobody can kill my vibe. Christmas time, no you can't kill my vibe. When they are paradise nation, yeah. We shall run things, yeah. Oh yeah, you know we are alone. No criminal, now this be comfort zone. Yeah, alone. The parents gone, but me still got protect it. This is public info, yeah. Hey. Christmas time, yeah, alone, yeah. It's how we are alone. The parents gone, but me still got protect it. Yeah, alone. No criminal, now this be comfort zone. Yeah, alone, yeah. Check it out right now, yeah. Say we are alone, yeah. Hey, wow.
Lock.
Yo, me have one cut up by here, they can cut off this.
Then we are way pan. We could go for that and come back then.
We have to get him out tonight.
We can see. Everything cool. Nobody there, man. Nobody there.
Alright, this me roar.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Stop! I'll put it in, man. Come back to me in there, sir. Look.
Adi.
Look. Hey, look how brutal that the box with. The window. Yeah. Wait.
Yes.
Hello. Hi, police station this. Holy pa shot of fire. Holy. We're in JAMMIWOOD City. No come now. No come now. No have to come now. Holy pa shot of fire. Alright.
No, we are run, man. We are run from me come from the ghetto. A fire rocket that, man. Don't do me that. You used to frighten me, man. Come on, I'm gonna lick out that window there for hard him up play. Alright.
Police, me need help. Thief a try come in my house. No man, me not run no joke. Thief a try come in my house. Aye.
Lock up.
Wait. Catch up. Back. Go and get that little brat.
I bet you can't catch me.
But you're down already. Oh yeah, though, that people in place.
Protect your place, officer.
Protect your place. Go protect your air, you hear me? Don't root you.
Protect the place, man. Where you go with that, officer?
You're gonna protect them in jail cell tonight. It's a Christmas day. Focus up, boy. You and them boy, they're gonna have a nice time. Are you alone there?
Gunman in there, so
the gunman in there, so?
I knock me out.
What you say? Let's squad them, man. Squad them, help me, you know. Gunman in there, so? What the pan? Don't move. I said don't move. I want to put the ground. Piece of ground. Anybody else there with you?
Officer. Are them the big criminals?
Oh, they are criminals?
Yeah,
okay,
they're breaking on my house. And that's why I make a trap for them.
You make trap for them? What a good boy. Alright, stay right there. Don't move, here. Just stay right there. Stay right there, sir. Stay out of trouble. Yeah. As a matter of fact, go to the room. Go to the room. Go to the room. What's wrong? You? I have a place for you for Christmas. Take your time. Make a piece up on the ground. A piece on the ground. A piece on the come here, boy. Get up, man. And if you try nothing, a bus shot. My favorite bus shot. Hold up yourself. Boy, you are broken and people in place for Christmas, eh? Are you crowing? Go over there, sir. Come on, I'll go down. This is the police department. Hello?
Yeah, Dad. So we have the president. Bye, Brenda.
My boyfriend will come. I don't see the money. I don't know why.
Daddy, my sister,
No, take it.
Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know what I mean? I guess we're a day late because it was $1 short, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, promise a Christmas movie, and here it is, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I would like to say special thanks to all the people them who contribute to get the room finished, you know what I mean? Big up. Most of the people don't know what the name call who donate, you know what I mean? Based upon my understanding, yeah. Alright, so, but more big up the place where they're from though. Some of them is from Canada, some is from America. Canada and America. Oh yeah, I think of Canada and America. I remember if nobody else from nowhere else. I think it's Canada and America. There's a lot of different places from different places that said they would have donated, but then they said they don't donate. You know what I mean? So, give thanks, really appreciate who donates, you know what I mean, to really bring it to reality, you know what I mean? So, put together, we get the Christmas tree, we get things them already need. We just get it a little bit late, but it is what it is though. We get the movie done a little bit late, you know what I mean? So, it is what it is. We always try to do the best we can do. And I spend my last century said done differently from that because donation do what I couldn't do, you know what I mean, and then we go in my pocket and do the rest, you know what I mean. So the new year gonna catch me broke, yeah, because I spend everything to get this thing done, yeah. But as long as when I appreciate it and I love it, I guess it's a job well done for me because at the end of the day I just want to make movies, you know what I mean, and give thanks for the support. Now this channel that we are promoting, you go hear it, you know, the movie them, look for it on YouTube and follow it. It's a channel where the Candy, me and Papa go run after channel there. It's called Reality JA, right? So we have different roles that we play upon it, so you can go and tune into it now and go over upon it. We think we have it up already, so you can just bear in mind we keep on promoting it as we go along said speed, you know what I mean? Reality JA, you know what I mean? Auntie Candy, you know what I mean? Because enough people are call her, want help and things, so she really want to go into that, so she said that to me, so I give her strength to go forward on that, you know what I mean? Papa is saying I want to do something set to, so we see what go on, just stay tuned, you know what I mean? And Mr. Pizza company too, so look out, you know what I mean? There's something different from movie. Something more in. We're not stop the movie, but we still play around with some different things in the meantime. So we want to go across the island. We have a lot of fans across the island. Then after that time we go across the world. You know what I mean? So we're now all up on the time now, burn it down to the ground. So you know where you go. So big up to all the sponsor them, big up to everybody who donate, you know what I mean? Big up to all the well wishers them who couldn't donate still, and all who say they would donate and still not donate. Big up on yourself, you know what I mean? The journey continues, you know what I mean? You don't get to do it this time, so you go. Next time we'll do, you know what I mean? Because it's a journey, you know what I mean? And we're serious about what we do. Until we say we go do one, do it, you know what I mean? We try our best to do it. So, there's a movie, leave a comment, you know what I mean? Tell me what you think about the movie. It's one day, because a 1 day shoot and 1 full day edit, so it's 2 days. But actually everything we get them late, so everything does force upon the time we don't want to release it on Christmas Day. And this is Christmas Day, Christmas night, so you'll get the box in there. You know what I mean? So glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Remember, big up all the sponsor them, big up all the donation people them, big up the producer them, big up everybody in the world. Happy holiday, happy season. I don't really know what Christmas. I don't know much about Christmas. So as we go along, let me learn, me tell no more about it, but I don't know about it yet, you know what I mean? Kind of confusing. But anyway, it's holiday part, people share and give. That's what them say then. So do it then now. Share and give in, you know what I mean? Give but every day. Give thanks to life though. Give thanks to the Most High. Because if I know the Most High, I wouldn't die. You know what I mean? So blessed. Love.